Okay, we will
Yeah.
start.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, I think
Okay.
we will
Who
start.
is sitting in? We will start. Who will start first? Your name and as I.
मैं करूं भाई.
Yeah, Devan.
Okay. Okay. I am starting the time. 1 minute.
ओके भाई.
Now, Devendra,
यस भाई. यस.
start.
ओके. Jai Hind everyone. My name is Devin Singh. I'm from Agra and I did my 10 plus 2 from the UP board in 2018 and now I'm pursuing graduation. My father's name is Mr. Randeep Singh. He's a worker and my mother's name is Nirmala Devi. She's a homemaker. Uh, my hobbies are watching patriotic movies and I also like playing outdoor games and I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a respectable job. So as we know that today's topic is based of Taliban. So as we all know very known that at that time Taliban has take over the all Afghanistan and in 15 August of 2021 Taliban is take over also Kabul and the president of Afghanistan is run away and right now the vice president become president people of Afghanistan and the situation of Afghanistan is very bad and it is
Done.
Okay.
Okay. Who is next one?
Okay.
Okay. Start now. Hello.
ओके ओके मैं दोबारा ज्वाइन कर रहा
Hello.
यार, प्रॉब्लम आ रही कुछ.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ भाई.
Okay, Kundan, you can start. Okay.
Okay.
Now start.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Kundan Kumar. I come from Gaya, Bihar, which is famous for Mahabodhi Temple. I have passed intermediate in science stream with first division. At present, I am pursuing diploma in civil engineering. Talking about my hobby, I would like to play chess and kabaddi in my free time. Um, as my family concern, my father works in transportation. My mother is a homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is very respectful job in our society, as well as it is a job of security. Talking about today's discussion topic. Today's discussion topic is invasion of Taliban over Afghanistan. As we all know that after 2 decades of war more than 6,000 Americans lost their lives and over 1 million of Afghans killed and more than 2 trillion spent by US. And all we know that the key causes and analysis says this failure. This is
भाई
due
टाइम
to. Okay.
Hello.
हाँ,
Yeah.
yes, you
Start now.
can start.
Jai Hind everyone present here. My name is Rahul. I hail from Mahova in UP, which is famous for the bravery of Alauddin. I passed my 12th in 2018, first honors with 83% marks from UP. At the present, I am pursuing graduation. If I talk about my family, my father is a farmer, my mother is a homemaker. Both had a great role in reaching me here. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and reading. As far as quality is concerned, I am amiable and my dream is to join Indian Air Force as it provides lifestyle full of excitement and adventure. Along with quite decent pay and perks, that's all about me. Now I would like to present my view on the topic. The topic on invasion of Taliban in Afghanistan. Taliban seized government buildings in Afghanistan and 90% borders of Afghanistan and 231 about 231 districts out of 398 districts is under control by Taliban. And also the president of Afghanistan is run away from Afghanistan, and 30,000 people each week flew out of Afghanistan
ओके भाई.
because of Taliban.
भाई राहुल माइक ऑफ करना अपना। ओके। हाँ शुक्ला, स्क्रीन शेयर करूँ मैं?
Yes, yes.
ओके। हेलो भाई, आवाज आ
Hello.
रही है मेरी?
Yes,
हेलो।
yes,
हाँ एक
yes,
मिनट
yes. You're audible.
एक मिनट स्टार्ट करूँ भाई?
Okay, start. Good morning, gentlemen. My name is Anoj Shukla. I hail from Sahabnagar, Sitapur. My father's name is Mr. Prabhakar Prakash Shukla. My mother's name is Mrs. Prabhadevi. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. My city Sitapur is famous for Naimishan, which is a holy place. And my hobbies are playing cricket and solving maths. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve my nation and I want to be a nation builder. So I want to go through the topic which is given to me, which is invasion of the Taliban over Afghanistan. If we talk about Taliban, then from the past time of Mujahideen group, the Taliban started in its war. In 1996 to 2000, Taliban has also invaded Afghanistan, but he is not properly succeed. But nowadays, Taliban has invaded Afghanistan and properly succeed because president flew away from Afghanistan to Tajikistan. This is the prominent reason of the defeat of Afghanistan from Taliban, and this is more powerful terror group in all over the world, and this may also demolish all over the world and affect all over the world.
ओके भाई।
Okay, कौन इनिशिएट कर रहा है? Okay, who will initiate?
Anyone?
I think Anubhav, you can.
I can initiate.
Yeah.
Yes. Good morning, gentlemen. Today I am initiating the topic which is invasion of Taliban over Afghanistan. If we talk about the invasion of Taliban over Afghanistan, then we also know about the invasion of Taliban, and then we should know about the history of Taliban. So in the history in 1986, a group Mujahideen from the leader Mujahideen is created, which known as after that Taliban. In the 1986 period, Russia also helped Afghanistan to demolish Taliban or abolish Taliban from the Afghanistan. But after 15 years, a long war, Russia is dead, and Russia has no attack or assault Afghanistan Taliban. But after that, in 2000, in the era of 2000, when 9/11 attack was happened in America, when World Trade Center was demolished by the leader Osama bin Laden, then America has taken an oath that he will totally demolish Afghanistan. But America is unable to demolish Afghanistan due to some reasons, because Taliban are believing in guerrilla warfare. If one is believing in guerrilla warfare, then the opposition will not succeed or never succeed in defeating. If opposition want to defeat that group, then he should also defeat many allies, because the president also said that if Taliban, then should demolish approximate 1 crore lives. So this will be a biggest martyrdom for every country or for every group, so that Taliban should be provoked if we take good steps towards Taliban. Thank you.
Okay, I agree with Anubhav, and I want to add a few points. Gentlemen, as we all know that China and Pakistan supported Taliban. According to news of 18, according to news 18, Taliban treated in Pakistan hospital, and Pakistan hospital and Pakistan army sent their 8,000 soldiers in Afghanistan for supporting the Taliban army. So I think so I think and India investment $3 billion in Afghanistan. I think which is vested if Taliban is if, if Afghanistan is under control by Taliban, which is very big problem for India also. So it's a not only Afghanistan, but it's a bet for all India.
Yes, gentlemen, I am agreed with you, and I want to add some more points over the Taliban's issue. If we talk about this issue, then we can also know about what the situation in nowadays Afghanistan. On 15th August, we also know Taliban has invaded Kabul. And Kabul is invaded in the 25 in Afghanistan, and Afghanistan is also now ruled by Taliban, and Taliban has changed the flag and many other things of Afghanistan.
Yes,
Afghanistan
Anubhav, your voice is not clear.
Anubhav, there is very buffering in your side.
Your voice is fluctuating.
1 minute, I will then.
हेलो भाई.
Hello.
हाँ, hello.
मैं कंटिन्यू करूं?
Hello, now I am audible.
Yeah, you are audible, Anubhav now.
Hello.
हाँ भाई हाँ.
Okay. I can continue now.
Yeah, you can continue.
Okay, gentlemen. If every country want to defeat Taliban, then we should know some more facts about Taliban. If we talk about the recent situation, then in UN's Council, Ashraf Ghani, the former president of Afghanistan, has also said that if Taliban invade Afghanistan, then no country will give it a proper base of a nation, because Taliban will be a terror group, not be a nation. So UN's Council how not support them, because Russia, China, and Pakistan like countries are supporting them. They have no problem. So what will be the aspects in future after this invasion? We can see now.
Yeah, bhai, I agree with you, and I wanna elaborate some point on the basis of topic. As we know that the topic is based on Taliban. If I talk about Taliban, Taliban is the group of terrorists, and it will start in 1996. And at that time, the leader of this group was Mujahideen, and the U.S. military. Or if I can say the U.S. Government fought with the Taliban in 2001 when they searched the भाई वो टेररिस्ट का नाम क्या नहीं आया
Osama bin Laden.
Osama bin Laden, and after a decade the US military are removed from Afghanistan. After that, the Taliban are the Taliban is started to take over Afghanistan, and right now the whole Afghanistan is controlled by the Taliban. And recently interview, the currently leader of Taliban is Habibullah. Or I can things that the international counseling approved them to govern Afghanistan, and they assumed that no one can harm by them, and one of them is uh, one of them uh, there is a present that and if anyone wants to live in Afghanistan, so that he can, and they got the citizenship on that national nation, and they got a 50 rupees per liter petrol. That's all.
Okay, I am agree with you all friends, and I add some more points. We all are familiar that the what is the failure of Taliban. Among the key causes, analysis says this is a brief. I have noted from the news analysis. It is the intelligence failure. Intelligence failure of America, or we can say that we underestimate the power of Taliban, or it is the corruption or money of Afghan government, and we can say that cultural differences are the main cause of Taliban and Afghanistan war. Afghanistan President Ashraf Ghani left Afghanistan. This is the also great cause. Afghanistan quit the whole war. The US withdrawal is, I think, not only the reason of Afghan government was failed. My point of view is that UN is disappeared or not takes action or responsibility.
Gentlemen, I am agreed with you, and I also add some points, and I want to go through the deep history of the Afghanistan. Then we know about the USA's policy. Then USA has also made the tribe group whose leader is Osama bin Laden, and Osama bin Laden also demolished US Trade Center. Then in past, if we know that if a man domesticated a snake, then he will bite him. So that this is the prominent reason for expanding the Taliban of US features, because the US has also made group of Osama bin Laden to provoke tribes to oppose government in favor of Afghanistan's tribal areas. But after that, Taliban has affected USA more. If we talk about India's point of view, then we can also know India has made Dahla Dam, India has made Dahla Dam and Salma Dam, which is in Afghanistan, and also made a road and railway path from the Chabahar port, which is also crossing from Afghanistan. And India has served many $billion in Afghanistan. Then there will be a problem if Taliban group invaded these dams and these construction sites. But Taliban has assured that he will not do the same. He will want to be a nation, and he will support all the nations.
Yeah, I think Anubhav, and at the last, I want to say the commander of Taliban, Mullah Brother, returned after 20 years in Afghanistan. According to the news analysis, I found that the next president of the Taliban sides in Afghanistan is Mullah Brother can be. So, and as you say, the many $billion of India's investment in Afghanistan. Afghanistan that which Taliban says can be destroyed and demolished. Thus, you describe Salwa Dam. So I think Indian government should talk about the Taliban that they can destroy these property which is investment India in Afghanistan, and Indian government airlift the citizens of India. I think 197 Indian citizenship airlift from Kabul airport and Afghanistan to New Delhi and India.
Yeah, gentlemen. At last, I want to say that if our country and many countries want prosperous life in Afghanistan, then they should not support Taliban, because if Taliban is supported, then we will go in deception of a world's very big war, because terrorists may not be may not be what we say trusteeship, because they are always terrorists. They will not be assured of anything. So that we should take care of many things, the lives of Taliban's people, and what will be the migration of Taliban's people. Then these are the aspects of Taliban. And Pakistan is supporting Taliban. Then I want to say some points over Pakistan. In Pakistan, Tehreek-e-Taliban is also a group which is expanding, so that Pakistan will also be demolished if Pakistan will continuously supporting Taliban. Then Pakistan should understand these policies, and Pakistan should provoke this all. So the Afghanistan and many other countries will be prosperous. Thank you.
Yeah, I agree with you, and I wanna add some more point on the basis of a concern of India for the Taliban. First of all, I wanna say that the biggest concern of India is that, as we know, that Afghanistan and Pakistan both of are the neighboring countries of of Pakistan of India, and as we know that our relations are with Pakistan is not so good right now, and in my point of view, Pakistan support Afghanistan. Pakistan supports silently, and if anything is happened in our country by Afghanistan or Pakistan, and so Pakistan did not wait a minute. Sentence is one of them.
Okay, I want to add some more points at last about Indian. What is Indian stand about this? As all you talk about Indian investment, India invest in construction of Salma Dam, which hydro power plant, and highway, in construction of highway, which making trade between countries. These all are going into vain, or we can say it is wasted. Uh, and China and Pakistan takes a stand at first for future investment in civil projects. So we can that this is very big loss in Indian point of view. Talking about Indian people or embassy back to home by our Air Force, which is rescued to India. So Indian people casualties is safe, or we can say no casualties from India. But at the last, I can say that women's safety is in danger, or we can say mankind safety is in danger. I see in news that two or three Afghans are fell down from aircraft which is going through Afghan airport to USA. So we can say that this is loss of mankind. So I can say that powerful country like America, Russia, France, England, Britain, they should have, and also UN, these should have to take action. Or we can say that settle down this problem. And from border point of view, there must be some terrorist attacks on near border areas, or we can say that more activities is shown in border region, because Afghanistan is a neighbor of India. So Pakistan, terror attacks can be more in border region.
Yes, I agree with you, and I wanna add some more points on the basis of Taliban. Recently, in the recent interview, the commander in chief of Taliban says that, and if they are make a government on the basis of international counseling, they remove all their contacts with the terrorist group, and second point is that second point is that all the member of assembly of any other country are not harmed by the Taliban. That's all.
Okay, gentlemen. At the last, I want to say, according to BBC News, Indian government should talk peacefully in Afghanistan by Taliban because of don't destroy the investment of India which is in Afghanistan. And and according to BBC News, they say India was not supported Taliban because the relationship of India and Afghanistan is good. It's good long time, which is demolished, and the investment of India in Afghanistan among $3 billion. So according to BBC News, India can do the same.
I wanna add one point at last. Recently, the Russian government is said that now the Afghanistan is the good hand of government. He said that points for the Taliban. Yes.
Okay, I think we should complete our GD session today.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
अनुभव
हेलो
आ गया अनुभव।
आ गया दो अनुभव
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है।
शुक्ला मेरी जान दो गई।
क्या हो गया?
We should finish.
आज यार अनुभव तुम्हारे यहाँ से मतलब नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम बहुत कर रही थी। आज क्या बात है?
मुझे लगा दो जानी।
अच्छा भाई सुनो।
क्या कौन
सा ड्यूटी?
टूर ऑफ ड्यूटी।
हाँ
टूर ऑफ ड्यूटी।
हाँ सुना तो है यार,
सुना हुआ तो है।
निकल
हैं? अनुभव को और डिस्कस कर ले रहे।
शुक्ला यार पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है।
उसके यार नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रही ना।
अच्छा मैंने आज का जीडी रिकॉर्ड किया, अगर किसी को चाहिए होगा तो बोलना, भेज देंगे हम लिंक।
हेलो,
ग्रुप में डाल देना। शुक्ला हेलो
हेलो
हाँ बोलो।
ओए ये कह रहा हूँ तुमने टूर ऑफ ड्यूटी के बारे में सुना है?
किसके बारे में?
टूर ऑफ ड्यूटी।
टूर ऑफ ड्यूटी में
हाँ यार वही वाला सिस्टम ना जो इंडियन आर्मी में ज्वाइन कर सकते थे, अब एयरफोर्स में भी होने वाला।
मतलब ऐसा जैसे कि हमारी गवर्नमेंट जॉब लग गई। हेलो
हाँ समझ गया मैं समझ गया।
हाँ तो उस टॉपिक को रखें कल। मतलब पता नहीं
टूर ऑफ ड्यूटी।
हेलो
हाँ तो भेज देना टॉपिक, प्रिपेयर कर लूंगा मैं सुबह।
कोई बर्निंग इशू पे रखते हैं, जैसे कि आज हुआ ना इन्वेजन ऑफ तालिबान।
हाँ बर्निंग इशू रखो, वही सही है यार। बर्निंग इशू ज्यादा सही रहता है, शाम में रख लेते हैं।
हाँ जैसा ठीक लगे। तो फिर टॉपिक सुबह बता देना, फिर इसे नहीं रख रहे है ना।
ठीक है बता दूंगा।
अनुभव थोड़ा जल्दी बता दिया करो यार, ग्रुप में है लड़के मतलब कह रहे थे ना।
ठीक है यार, मैं 7 बजे सोकर उठ पाता हूँ।
ठीक है तुम 8 बजे डाल दिया करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
अनुभव फिजिकल के लिए नहीं जाता भाई?
अबे नहीं यार, रात लेट हो जाता है इसीलिए नहीं उठ पाता सुबह।